How to change the date of birth on your Microsoft account. If your birthday is incorrect, or you simply need to update your personal information, you can do it in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account website. Then, sign in to the Microsoft account whose date of birth you want to change. Once you're signed in, click Your Info or Profile Picture, the top left corner. From the Profile Info section, click Date of Birth. Simply select the correct month, day, and year for your date of birth on Edit Profile Info section. Once you've updated your birthday, click Save to apply the changes to your Microsoft account. Keep in mind that Microsoft may limit how often you can change your date of birth, especially for child or family accounts. If you manage your account through a Microsoft family group, additional permissions may be required. And that's how you can change your date of birth on a Microsoft account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft account tutorials and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching.